Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel Space Odyssey. We're investigating an incredible theory today. Is it possible to grow plants on the moon? Think about having gardens on the moon. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But first, let's examine the science to find out how close we are to realizing this lunar dream. The challenge is the growing of plants on the moon is filled with challenges. Firstly, there is no atmosphere on the moon, which means that plants cannot breathe air. In addition, the lunar surface experiences minimal gravity, radiation, and extremely high temperatures, all of which make plant growth extremely challenging. Lunar soil, the moon's soil, called regolith, is very different from Earth's soil. It is lacking in organic matter and vital nutrients required by plants for growth. Scientists are experimenting with ways to enrich lunar soil or create artificial soils to support plant growth. Space research projects, some fascinating experiments have been conducted in spite of these difficulties. For example, crops like lettuce and radishes have been successfully grown in space by NASA's Veggie experiment aboard the International Space Station, ISS. This research helps us understand how plants can grow in low-gravity environments and under controlled conditions. Greenhouses on the moon using greenhouses or controlled conditions is a possible strategy. These buildings might be designed to provide the air, shield radiation from the sun, and regulate temperature, all of which are essential for plant growth. With these greenhouses, we might theoretically cultivate plants on the moon by establishing an Earth-like environment. What comes next? As we look towards future lunar missions, such as NASA's Artemis program, growing plants on the moon becomes an important goal for sustaining long-term human presence. Plants that thrive on the moon could sustain life by producing food, oxygen, and carbon dioxide recycling. Can we thus cultivate plants on the moon? Even though it's still a work in progress, we are getting closer to our lunar goal, thanks to continuous studies and technological developments. Moon gardens might not be as crazy as they first appeared to be. If you are as fascinated by the concept of lunar gardening as we are, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. What other space-related topics would you like to see? Post your ideas in the comments section below. Strive for the stars, both on Earth and beyond, and never stop learning and exploring.